What's up, YouTube? Dominoes 7 here. Okay. So, there's some things I'm going to play with, things I'm going to do. Just like I was playing with my niece's teapot toy. You know. I don't know if y'all watched my previous videos or what. Playing with Mrs. Teapot, you know. That was in 2012 around Christmas time, you know. Playing with Mrs. Teapot, you know. But there's one thing y'all need to know. Any negative negative comments or anything, I'm gonna block you, okay? So let me tell y'all right off the bat, whatever I do in my videos is my business, long as I don't do nothing inappropriate. Any negative comments, I'm gonna block you, okay? So what I'm gonna do, set that aside. I'm gonna be playing with this. Y'all gonna be listening to this. How many of y'all like My Little Ponies? I love that cartoon. When I was a kid, I used to watch that cartoon on the Disney Channel. My Little Ponytails. I like My Little Pony cartoons, so here we go. Well, you know what? What's up, folks? Well, wait a minute. Let me press this button. What's up, folks? Dominoes 7 here on the My Little Ponytails karaoke. Yes, the My Little Ponies karaoke. My little pony, watch your little dog. Ren and Stimpy. I don't know how many channels this video is going on. Okay, so Real Monsters. Well, I remember watching My Little Pony on Disney Channel. You know, My Little Pony, My Little Pony. What the hell am I watching? Okay, you dirty bastards. What the hell am I'm doing? I'm playing with a 6-year-old toy. What's the matter with Domino, folks? Am I crazy or what? Cuckoo! I'm supposed to be playing with big boy toys. PlayStation 33. Site PlayStation 3. I should be playing Uno all by myself. Steve Harvey, eat your heart out. Okay. I don't know why I mentioned his name, huh? What the hell? I should be playing with something like this. Something like this, okay? Why am I talking in a pink microphone? Just for my little niece, okay? I sure would like to play that song again, okay? What the hell? Okay, so here is my song again. My little pony, my little pony, my little pony. I used to wonder what friendship could be. Woo! Oh! Listen though, I embarrassed myself long enough. Embarrassed. Yeah, this is very embarrassing. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. And that dirty bastard, Randy TV, Truth the Game, I should say, and especially Dwayne Payne, he probably watch this video saying, "Hey, what's wrong with this fool? Oh, shut up, Quasi. Where's Nala? Where's Tanya? Missing out on my show, Tanya. Okay. I don't understand why you don't support Dominoes 7 anymore. I'm doing good. Yep. If you watch my previous videos, I don't just do my shows just in this room. I do it everywhere I go. Okay? With family. Okay? I told my family, shout out to you. Yeah, I told them to. Well, she don't want to listen. Well. Woo. Alright, so anyway, shout out to Bob Barker though. Well, I doubt if Bob Barker watching this video, unless somebody show Bob Barker my videos, because you know Bob Barker don't own a computer or a cell phone. Okay, he's completely old school. Yeah, Bob Barker is definitely old school. He don't own a phone like this or a phone like this. I don't use phones like this no more. I don't use phones like this no more. Well, I use phones like this. Oh Lord. Well, about to sit back, relax. I might as well relax and sit back and relax. Okay. Go back to my bed after singing happy birthday to Malia and stuff like that. Videos gon' air soon. Okay. Alright. Don't rush. Okay. I'ma upload it. Alright, let me put this phone down. Put this put the microphone down too. Alright folks. Before I close this up, close this video, I'm gonna let y'all listen to this My Little Pony song one more time. If you don't like it, cut this video off. Okay? Nobody told you to watch it. If you don't like it, why the hell are you watching? So let's listen.
My little pony, my little pony, my little pony. I used to wonder what friendship could be. My little pony, until you all share this magic with me. Big adventure, tons of fun, a beautiful horse, faithful and strong, scary and kind, will really be free, and magic makes it all complete. You and mine, you know you're all my very best friends.
Okay. So thank y'all for watching. Don't like it, don't watch it. Okay? Like, comment, subscribe. It's the first time I said that. Okay? That's all Dominoes 7 got to say. Get out of these clothes, get in my pajamas, and go to sleep. And I'm gonna play with the My Little Pony toy tomorrow. I don't care what y'all say. This is Dominoes 7. Okay? Dominoes 7 do whatever you want. Okay? You don't like it, don't watch my show then. Alright? Bye.